Come test drive the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, running boards, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.